Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut export failed issue in 2025. First of all, make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, check your phone's storage. Sometimes export fails because there isn't enough free space on your device. Go to your settings and to your storage and make sure you have enough space for the video you're exporting. Now, open CapCut and try exporting your project again. If it still fails, head to your project's export settings. Then focus on frame rate and code rate settings. Make sure the frame rate is appropriate for your project and that the code rate is compatible with your device. These adjustments can prevent export errors. And finally, if none of this work, try restarting your phone. It sounds simple, but sometimes a quick reboot can solve app-related issues, and that's all. Following these steps should help you fix the CapCut export failed problem and get your videos out without any hassle.